असमंजस में हूँ। बचपन से ही मैं संघर्ष में हूँ। कभी ये करना, कभी वो नहीं, कभी खुद को ढूंढना, कभी छुप जाना कहीं। भाइयों को मिली हर आज़ादी, पर मुझ पर थी बंदिशें कई। समय बीता, संघर्ष बढ़ा, अब ये आवाज़ हक की बन गई सदा। अब मैंने जाना है, मैं भी हूँ सक्षम, अपने अधिकारों की ज्योति खुद ही प्रथम।
जब मैं वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट वर्ड को सुनता हूँ तो मुझे एक चीज़ ध्यान में आती है कि इस वर्ड की हमें ज़रूरत ही क्यों पड़ी। शायद जो हमारी सिविलाइजेशन डेवलप कर रही है उसमें ये वर्ड होना ही नहीं चाहिए था। और इस इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे पर हमें एज अ सोसाइटी, मैन एंड वुमेन बोथ, कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए कि ये वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का वर्ड रिडंडेंट हो जाए। और वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का जो लक्ष्य हमारी सोसाइटी लेके चली है ये तभी पूरा होगा जब इस शब्द की ज़रूरत हमें फ्यूचर में ना पड़े।
I believe women are still underrepresented in PAR, with only 10% CEOs in India and just 14% women MPs. And PAR isn't a favor, it's a right.
उन लोगों को अपना कैरियर चूज करने के लिए ना ऑप्शन होना चाहिए, किसी भी जजमेंट के बिना उस चीज़ को चूज कर सके। खासकर इंडियन फैमिलीज में ये प्रेशर बनाया जाता है कि आपको जल्दी शादी करनी है या फिर आप ये नहीं चूज कर सकते, आप इस फील्ड में नहीं जा सकते, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए।
I would like to change the societal pressure of marriage onto women.
The voices and opinions of the women should be given equal respect as those to men's. It encourages us and we feel heard.
Treating everybody as a human, keeping aside all the stereotypes and artificially formed human-made criterias. And I think we can stretch this emotion globally. And eventually, we will have a safer planet to live in.
It is generally said, when you teach a man, you teach an individual. But when you educate a woman, you educate full family. So it is a basic requirement that all women here and there, in India, in the world, receive quality education.
इस समाज में मैं महिलाओं के प्रति जो लोगों का नज़रिया है उसको बदलना चाहूँगी। आज भी कई बार ये देखने में आता है कि कार्य क्षेत्र में कई जगह सीनियर्स या उनके कुलीग्स महिलाओं को सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं या उनको प्रॉपर रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते हैं। तो मैं ये चाहूँगी कि उनको प्रॉपर रिस्पेक्ट मिले, उनको सपोर्ट हो, उससे उनके ही काम में सफलता मिलेगी और उससे वो ज़्यादा सक्षमता से अपना काम कर पाएंगे।
One thing that I would like to change in the society is the perception towards women that they have to choose either their family or their career. But I think both can coexist. What they need is support and freedom to fulfill their ambition without any judgment.
Real change needs policies that truly push for equal opportunities, because be it men or women, a developed India needs everybody in the game.
We as a society, all of the people in the society should also understand this fact that if we open equal opportunity for women and girls, it's a win-win situation for everyone. As a society, as a nation, as a global community, we all will prosper and live happily ever after.
स्त्री और पुरुष दोनों ही एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं, दोनों ही एक दूसरे की शक्ति हैं, एक कार के दो पहिए हैं। अगर ये नहीं साथ चलेंगे तो समाज कैसे प्रगति करेगा, और समाज अगर प्रगति नहीं करेगा तो देश कैसे प्रगति करेगा। अतः देश की प्रगति के लिए स्त्री और पुरुष को साथ मिलके चलना चाहिए। ना कोई बड़ा है और ना कोई छोटा, सब बराबर है।
On this Women's Day, I want to take a moment to celebrate the incredible women around us, whether it's client, colleague or mentors. Women bring strength, creativity and innovation at everything they do, and we at NextIS are proud to support and empower them every day. Here is to more opportunities, equality and success for women everywhere.
NextIS provides you with a very women-friendly work environment. This has really supported me in making that balance between my dynamic work life and my family. I think I have learned that art of shifting between different roles, be it managing my official work or giving time to my family, my friends, or for that matter, finding out time for my own self.
Yatte narastu pujante ramante tatra devta, which means where women are honored, the divinity resides there. Here you must know that it's not the lack of love, but lack of respect that makes women suffer. So friends, let's empower her, respect her and value her.
वुमेन जो है वो हमारे ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए एक बैकबोन हमारे लिए, क्योंकि उनके बिना ना तो हम कुछ आगे बढ़ सकते हैं ना ही हम कुछ कर सकते हैं.
To empower women and make them feel safe, we need to educate our sons first of all. I personally feel that our sons should understand that value of women, not just respecting women in the family, maybe it's a mother, maybe it's a sister, but every other woman he's surrounded with, he's dealing with, or he sees maybe on an open highway should be equally respected. So once we start teaching our sons, our next generation to respect women, it automatically ends.
Just like every other year, we do the cliche thing that we wish Happy Women's Day to all the women in our life and move on. This time, do it something different. Take a pledge that you will make every space in their life a safe space. You will make all of their roles a safe role to play, so that they can express their personality. Be it a daughter or a friend or a mother, whatever role they are playing. So this time, take a pledge, make their life safer and happier.
8th March is observed International Women's Day. Every year, there are the events organized. People give talks, but what changes? और changes अगर लाना है तो हमें pledge लेना पड़ेगा.
This Women's Day, let's take a pledge.
I pledge.
हम ये शपथ लेते हैं.
I pledge.
मैंने एक pledge लिया हुआ है.
मैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के अवसर पर एक ऐसा सुरक्षित वातावरण को विकसित करने में योगदान देने की शपथ लेता हूँ.
We are going to pledge.
On this day, let's make a place.
इस वुमेन्स डे पे हम अपने स्कूल कॉलेजेस सबको अपनी सभी फ्रेंड्स के लिए सेफ बनाएंगे.
I promise to keep the society safe for all the women.
हम अपने ऑफिस को, वर्क कल्चर को और अपनी सोसाइटी को वुमेन्स के लिए सेफ बनाएंगे.
To make this society a better place for our mothers, grandmothers, daughters, sisters and all women around us.
हम अपनी सोसाइटी को, अपनी कम्युनिटी को, अपनी डॉटर्स के लिए, अपनी वाइफ्स के लिए, अपनी मदर्स के लिए सेफ बनाएंगे.
To make our workplace safer and better.
हम हमारे स्कूल हमेशा सेफ रखेंगे, हमारे आने वाले बहन के लिए.
That we will make our society beautiful for our colleagues, our friends, mother, sister.
जहाँ सभी महिलाएं बिना किसी भय या डर के कार्य कर सकें.
That I'll make our society safe for all our mothers, all our sisters and all the women.
अपना दृष्टिकोण, अपना नज़रिया वुमेन्स के लिए बदला हुआ है. उनको वही सुविधाएं मिलें, उनको वही सम्मान मिले, ये वही दृष्टिकोण हो सभी का जो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए होता है, जो एक पुरुष के लिए होता है. तभी शायद ये सोसाइटी को हम एक जस्ट सोसाइटी बोल पाएंगे.
I take this pledge that at next IS, MADG and at the surrounding environment of the MADG group, we will keep all the women safe, secure and we will provide the freedom to work with dignity and we will ensure that every woman is respected.
Since I have been raised up by very strong women around me, so a huge respect to everyone, and this pledge is universal, which I believe that everyone in the society should follow.
एक कदम अपनी ओर.
Have faith in yourself and be proud of who you are.
जब हम अपने घर से women की respect start करेंगे तब इसमें परिवर्तन आएगा. So सबसे important है कि जो वर्क प्लेस है, जो घर है, जो उनका सराउंडिंग है, वहाँ पर उनको सेफ्टी फील होनी चाहिए और वो सेफ्टी दिखनी चाहिए. It is not just the safety, it is also the freedom which is important. Work freedom, thought freedom and all kind of the works what they want to do, they should be allowed to do. So let us work together and provide the safety. First start with your own working place.
Looking forward to have more female students aspire for this examination and be successful civil servants and IAS officers in the coming years.
आप जहाँ भी हैं, लाइफ के जिस भी फेज में हैं, be more innovative, be more motivated and one more thing कि be yourself.
Have that confidence in yourself, stay strong and whatever you want to do in your life, just work hard for it, prioritize yourself and give yourself that priority because you deserve it.
Don't let others tell you differently.
And a very, very happy Women's Day to all the women of the India and the world.
I wish you all a very happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to everyone.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to everyone.
I would like to wish Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day again.
Happy International Women's Day.
महिला दिवस की शुभकामनाएं.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to all.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy 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 Women's Day.
महिला दिवस की शुभकामनाएं.
Happy Women's Day. महिला दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. महिला दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Once again, Happy International Women's Day to all the ladies out there.
Happy Women's Day to all.
Happy Women's Day.